So this is how you can create a focus mode on the iPad. Let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So naturally, you can go to the settings and manage your focus modes, but also you have them in the control center when you swipe down and access it. And you have a couple of focus modes, like the basic built-in ones include the general do not disturb. Then there is the work, personal, driving, right? But if you want to create a new one, just go to the settings, tap on focus, and in the top right corner, you have a plus button. So you can click on that plus button and you'll be able to pick from a couple of already prepared options, which you haven't added just yet, like the fitness or reading. But you can also click on custom and literally set it up according to your own preferences. So that would mean that you would, for example, choose a color background, the icon from the options here, and you can name it whatever you want. So you can make it like sports or I don't know, language learning, whatever suits your needs. You're gonna go through it, and then you basically do the same thing like that you can do for all other focus modes, but you do it specifically for that one. So you as well set up the contacts situation, and if notifications are supposed to be delivered from some apps or silenced, or the same thing for other people as well. So that's kind of how it all works generally, and the whole difference is that you only do it for a new focus mode, which will be enabled at a separate occasion. So that is all that I wanted to show you. Let me know if you managed to find it and make it work on your iPad. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.